Hello, thank you for watching Syrian Eats. Today I am making a warm and healthy recipe called مجدرة. مجدرة is a lentil-based dish cooked with onions and bulgur wheat and then topped off with fried onions. This dish is delicious paired up with pickles and plain yogurt. Let's get started. First, I'm going to start out by chopping my onions. You will need 3 large onions. First onion we will dice and use that to cook the lentils with, and then the second 2 onions we are going to thinly slice and we are going to deep fry those. And the next 2 onions, we are going to thinly slice into wedges, just like this. After slicing them, I'm going to put them in my bowl and I'm going to separate the onions so they can fry evenly. Try to separate your thinly sliced onions so you can get an even fry. I'm going to preheat my oil to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. As soon as your oil is heated up, add your onions. Stir your onions around while they are frying so they can get an even golden tone. And it looks like my onions are about ready, so I'm going to strain them from the oil and then add them to a plate with a paper towel on there so it can absorb any excess oil. In a pot on medium heat, add half a stick of butter. As soon as it melts, add your diced onion. You want to saute your onion for about 10 to 15 minutes until it has a golden tone to it. During sauteing, add 2 teaspoons of salt. This is what you want your onions to look like when they're ready. As soon as your onions are fully sauteed, add 2.5 cups of washed brown lentils. Stir your lentils around in the butter and the onions for about 2 minutes before adding our water. I'm adding 7.5 cups of water. So you're going to say for every cup of lentil, you're going to need about 3 cups of water. I added 1 tablespoon of salt. Stir in the salt and let your lentils come up to a boil. Let your lentils cook over medium heat for about 20 to 25 minutes until your lentils become tender. After my lentils have been cooking for about 25 minutes, it looks like the lentils are becoming tender and my water has reduced. Now it's time to add 2/3 of a cup of coarse bulgur wheat. Stir the bulgur wheat in there. Taste the salt content. If you feel like it needs a little more salt, you can go ahead and add some salt. My salt tastes fine, so I'm going to let it cook and reduce. You're going to cook it over medium heat, uncovered, for about 30 minutes until you start noticing the water being absorbed. And just a tip, if you feel like it's drying up, you can always add a little bit more water. My مجدرة looks like it is ready to serve. Now, the more it cools, the more it will thicken and absorb that liquid. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my page on Facebook, and follow me on Instagram. And the pickles that I have in my video are turnip pickles. I haven't made a video for those yet, but that will be coming up soon. But I do have my cabbage pickles, and I'll put that link in the description box below.